So now we're going to make a diplodocus designed by me. And there are many variations on this model, so feel free to experiment. So you start just like with the T-Rex by blintzing. It's called blintzing because in a pastry you fold all the corners in, but in origami you fold all 4 corners into the middle to create something, a smaller square. And this helps when you're designing something, because if you bring those flaps in, you can pull them out and use them later on, which is exactly what we're going to do in this model. So now we're going to bring this to a bird base. How you get there is you fold in half this way, then you fold in half that way, like so. So then you fold everything down into a preliminary fold. There you go. Now you're gonna petal fold up like this. And you see, now you fold that down so it's a bird base. Do the same thing on the other side. Like that. Now you fold this down so you're in a bird base. And so pull and like this. So then you fold that in half and gonna fold these 2 up like that. Now, in this case, we won't need these 2 flaps, so go ahead and fold them under. They won't fit all the way, so fold a little bit back, then you can fold it down under. So now see, that's tucked away. Now you do the same thing with the other side. So you fold that down, then you open up everything and tuck it as low as you can get it. Down right there. Like that. But now, of course, we need legs. So there's these little flaps of paper down in here. You're going to bring those out, turn them inside out, like this, and kind of pull them out. So you have short, stubby legs for the dinosaur. Now, you could also do this model where you blintz it the other way and the legs are on the outside. There's more uniformity in this kinds, but you can choose what you want to do. But this end part's basically the same, except there are a few extra steps to do. So there it is. You have 4 legs. Now we need to make the head. So how you do that is you fold this a little bit down. See? A little bit on each side. That correlates to a little tip here. You kind of round that out like that. And of course, so you want to be symmetric, you do a little bit on the other side, except the crease should go to the point of the tail, not over past it like before. So down, have a diplodocus. It's flat though, So you kind of, the funnest, you kind of open them up, push them kind of like that, and put them down. And there's a finished diplodocus.